So guys, first of all, I want to thank you for the overwhelming response that you gave us for the first pronunciation video that I did with native English speakers. Today, I've got Stuart from Ireland. So Stuart, we're going to play a simple game.
Sure.
I'm going to show you some words that are commonly mispronounced in India. And I want you to read it out, that's it.
Okay.
So are you in?
Yeah.
All right, so let's go. The first word for you is this.
Develop.
It's develop, right?
Develop.
You know how we kind of mispronounce it as develop. Develop. It's develop, right?
Yeah.
Stress on the second syllable. All right. So what about this one? It's a derived word.
Developer.
Developer. It's developer, okay? So moving on to the next one, the noun form.
Development.
Development. Very good. And what about this one?
Base.
Yes, it's base. Now, this is a video which I made, like that was my first reel, and it went viral because we have this reputation, I wouldn't say reputation, but we have this habit of pronouncing this as bass.
Yeah. There is a beer called, spelt with those letters, and it's pronounced bass.
Bass. Like, there's also fish, right?
Yeah.
Like sea bass. There's a fish which is pronounced bass.
Yeah.
But this is that bass, about the music, about
musical
the
instrument
voice.
is bass.
It's bass, all right? It's bass. It's pronounced exactly how we pronounce the word B-A-S-E.
Yeah.
All right. So what about this one? Now, I'm pretty sure that most of you guys watching are mispronouncing this word.
Adjacent.
Yes, spot on. It's adjacent and not adjacent. It's adjacent, adjacent. This one.
Event.
It's event, not event. That's how we Indians sometimes mispronounce
event.
it. Event. It's event with stress on the second syllable. It's event. And this one.
Severe.
Severe. It's severe. And now I want you to pay attention to this word. It's a derived form of this.
Severity.
Now, yes, it's severe and severity, right? Not severity. It's severity. So thank you for the clarification. And okay, this one's going to be a bit like a challenge for you. I don't know, but have you seen this word?
I haven't seen it before, but it's hippopomonstra escapedophilia phobia.
Yeah, so it's a phobia. It's like a fear of long words. That's what it means. So it's pronounced hippopotamonstrosesquipedaliophobia. And this word was popularized by a famous Indian politician and writer, Shashi
Really?
Tharoor.
Okay.
So he's the one. He has this reputation of coming up with words that are like very long, and he's on like he's our own English mentor and teacher.
The only word I know that's even close to that is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Oh, thank you for that. What does it mean?
It's part of a song of a Disney movie.
Okay. It means just amazing or lit. Is that?
Yeah, just fantastic,
Fantastic.
amazing.
Well, it's very
fun.
difficult to pronounce though.
Yeah, it's a mouthful.
All right. Anyway, thank you so much. I mean, I think this video, this session with you is going to be insightful for the people, for our audience. I hope you got a lot from this video. And thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us.
You're welcome.
It was a pleasure having you. Thank you.
Thank you.
English House. English at your fingertips.